Today I am going to review my new multimeter. Is a Uni-t brand multimeter. Multimeter number is UT136 plus. This is an automatic multimeter. Most of the details are in Chinese language. Once you unbox the multimeter, you can see the testing code as well. Take multimeter of safety plan. You can see that multimeter is with double grip. This is the detail sheet, but all the informations are in Chinese language. You have to use the Google Translator. There is a protective sticker, and you can stand the multimeter using this one. The rubber grip helps you to prevent from electric shock, and there is a good hold due to that. Actually, this is an automatic multimeter. Now, this is the positive, this is the power. Now the multimeter is on off mode. First AC volt, second one DC volt, third one AC and DC millivolt, and you can see then the ohm, then last diode test, buzzer, capacitor value. Shall we take DC battery voltage? .5 is good. Battery value 1.5 double A battery. Now shall we check the resistor? First you turn the switch into ohm mode. It will show resistor. Almost 100. You can see the symbols ohm, mega ohm, kilo, whatever the ohms value you can see. I think that testing probes are not good. It is not a high quality one. Shall we check another one? This is 1K resistor. You can see. Almost one. We can press this yellow button and hold the value. You press again, you can see the buzzer and the diode chip. All the data shown in the yellow color, you can select using that. Now okay. As I said before, the testing probes are not good quality. You can see the value. Need to go. Shall we check the capacitor? Just change the select the switch to the capacitor mode. This is This is a special thing. You can see non-contact voltage. See if you close this top side to AC volt, you can see the voltage level is very sensitive. Voltage level, okay. You can read the voltage level, read in the number of dashes. This is my charger cable. It also shows AC current. Mobile phone charger. And also there is an option to check the transistors as well. I will show how to check the transistors. You just connect the pins correctly. That's all. Normally other multimeters has couple of pins, but there is only one pin per one. Resistor is working. You can see the reading. You can check NPN and PNP both transistors. Only change is you have to use the holes shows in up, shows in. Again, the user manual. If you can understand the values, you can read them, but it's difficult to read the Chinese language. If you want to read it correctly, use the Google Translator. Google Translator can read words using it. I think this multimeter is average good for the use of for the general use. The UF capacitor shows where the UF capacitor. Here